As an international student, I have multiple questions and doubts about the place I will go to, the school I'm in, the people and my surroundings, especially the language.
I never dream, cause
You okay?
always thought
Bastos!
women was broken.
Aray ko!
Ako pa talaga ang bastos, ha?
Sabi ko, aray ko!
Puedes ver que estoy caminando con un montón de cosas en mis manos. Entonces te vas a chocar conmigo? ¿Estás loco?
Wait, what? From a moment ago, you were speaking in Tagalog. And now in what? Spanish?
Ang mamatay dahil sa'yo.
The hell?
Guys, I'm going to introduce to you our new international student.
Hello everyone, my name is Dario Villarreal. I'm 36 years old and I reside in Spain.
Spain, tapos ang accent Harry Potter. Ano ka ba Spanyol? Fake news ba?
Ano nga sabihin niyo, class?
Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo din.
I think she scammed the system into thinking that she can get an international student visa. Ay, kailangan natin kausapin yan. Ay, napaka-fake naman.
Trust me, she's not faking it. She's from Spain. She's just fluent. Stop foreshadowing, will you?
Ba't mo kinakampihan? Kala ko ba pumatay ng dahil sa'yo?
No reason.
Are you good, bro?
I don't believe you. You heard her. We don't believe you. Angela, it's your turn.
What she said.
What's the commotion about?
We know that you don't speak Spanish. Because I've been to Spain and I know that locals don't speak like that.
Like what?
With that accent.
It's really offensive, you know? Hola, me llamo Daniel Joyraiz Cabrera. Tengo 16 años. Y me hago conocer español, lo cual es realmente ofensivo. Sabes que no ser español y luego estudiar inglés es muy difícil. Es muy difícil. He estudiado 5 años para conseguir este acento y luego me llamas falsa.
Watch it. You're smart, me, aren't you?
Te, malala na to. Minumura ka na nan. Narinig ko eh, Espanyol daw.
Yung sawadi ka? Yun.
Really? Mabuhay! Welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Hoy, Ted, hindi ko siya minumura. Pinapaliwanag ko lang na totoo pag-Espanyol ko. Ano sinasabi? Sawadi ka. I'm not Taiwanese. Sawadi ka.
No.
Sinasabi ko na totoo yung pag-Espanyol ko at taga-Espanyol ako. Marunong na talaga ako mag-English at mag-Tagalog. Sabi ka ha?
Told you. You good?
Oh, me?
Sino ba?
Oh, yeah, I'm good. By the way, I'm sorry that I overreacted to you earlier. I'm sorry that I lashed out.
Sorry din, kasi I overreacted din too. And, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo din.
No, that I was first. I was the first one to overreact. So, we're good, okay?
Yeah, but can you teach me Spanish? It sounded really cool when you screamed at me earlier.
Okay, I guess so.
May ideas ka ba, Angelo? Hello, Angelo? Angelo, wait! Did I say something wrong? Papaliwanag ako!
So what are you going to say, ha? That I'm stupid to says that you're not being one of friends?
Bakit naman nagagalit, Angelo? Dahil feeling mo, inaagaw ko sa cigar? Angelo, best friend ko lang siya!
You're right, pero best friend ka lang at ako ang boyfriend.
Oo na, alam kong best friend lang ako! At ginagawa ko to para sa best friend ko!
Ako man, John, may padayan kung bakit gusto niyo matuto ng Spanish.
Ano ibig mong sabihin?
Kaya kami bago ka ba dumating sa buhay namin? Ngayon, wala na!
Wala akong ginagawang masama.
Mo to para makita ka niya. Pero alalaan mo, best friend ka lang at ako ang boyfriend.
At kung hindi man dumating sa akin ang panahon na ako ay mahalin mo rin,